I wanted to share my experience with this Tear Mender instant fabric leather adhesive because I had huge problems using it for the first time, and after that I changed how I used it and now it's much better. So I wanted to share how I've been using it to have now pretty good success with it. So first, what's really important, also says here on the box that you really shake it pretty good. I would really suggest to shake this really good before using it, and then you can use it. You can see it has this cap here. Don't have to remove everything. You can just have it like that and then turn it around and then squeeze some out. And what I recommend is to not only use a little bit but use a lot. This is what I did first time when I used it. I've been a little bit careful. I didn't apply enough and then everything got loose after first wash and tumble dry. And now you can see I did it again. I mean, I didn't do a good job regarding how I did it, but I just wanted to show you that it really lasted a full wash cycle and even tumble dry, and it's still here. You can see still holding nicely. What I did, these two areas down here, because they came totally loose and were always like falling down, and so I had tried also with some ironing on patches and also didn't work, so I figured out maybe that would be the better solution. But again, I had to really apply a lot, and I applied that even on both of the sides, like inside and also on the other side, and I didn't wait actually too long after applying on both sides. I just put it together and squeezed both sides pretty hard and left them for a little bit. Of course, I wouldn't suggest to put it into washer dryer immediately. I would rather suggest to wait a couple of hours or maybe a day. But now you can see it survived the washer dryer everywhere. Also this part here, this patch where I've been struggling before, you can see that now here. I think on one spot I forgot to apply enough and it came loose again. Everything else is nicely sticking now. So it really looks you can have some success. And so of course I don't want to just do a theoretical video. I want to show you how I do it. Here it's a little bit difficult because I have just this small area, but I put it here on this side. That doesn't matter if it gets on my hand because it's very easy to rub it off after that. You can see it's on the inside. That was a little bit too much. That's not good. So I have to remove that a little bit. Definitely a rather thin liquid. And now I have to put it here also on this side. Really try to soak it somehow. But of course, don't do too much that it's flowing down. That's also not good. So just apply plenty on both of the sides. You can see something like that. And now it's time to push it together. And you can see I have it now here on my hands and it's very easy to remove. Can just rub it off here. Very easy to remove from my hands. And so I grab it here outside, push it really together. That's important. Really push it hard together now and leave it at least for a couple of hours before you put it into the washer. And usually it sticks almost instantly. You can see nothing happened on this side. There's still plenty of fabrics outside here. I also found an area down here where I obviously didn't apply enough glue. So you can see usually it's also not discoloring, because here I had applied some glue and it just came open again. It's still a little bit sticky. That's a surprise somehow. After washing, I didn't expect that, but let's try it again. A little bit difficult behind the camera, of course. Would be easier without, but I still want to show you how this works. Need to remove that here a little bit. Make sure that you have paper towel or so, and also here apply on both of the sides and then it should work. Make sure that it's really soaked on both of the sides. The glue has a little bit of a strong smell, so make sure that you're working in a well ventilated area. So here I think I have almost a little bit too much, maybe even taking off here a little bit, and now squeeze it together really hard and let it dry, and that should do the job for the next time. So hopefully then also this part will then stick permanently and doesn't come loose again. But again, two important things: shake it a lot and also apply a lot, and even apply on both sides, and then it can definitely last. This is what my experience is. I mean, I had it just once in the washer dryer, but it's already much better than anything I've seen till now. And what I like here is you can see it's still normally bendable. I've been already wearing it and I couldn't feel anything. So I think it's exactly what I wanted. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video. So you can check it out and order a bottle for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this Tear Mender instant fabric and leather adhesive, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.